Hello, in front of me I've got Defunc True Go Slim. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, make sure that your earbuds are connected with your smartphone and charged. Turn them on, and while listening to music, double click the touch area of any earbud to play pause music. For next track, tap and hold the right earbud for 2 seconds. For previous track, tap and hold the left earbud for 2 seconds. To increase volume, click once on the right earbud. To decrease volume, tap once on the left earbud. To answer and end the calls, double-click either the left or right earbud. To reject call, press either the left or right earbud for 2 seconds. To activate voice assistant, triple-click on the left earbud. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.